Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Today we have got a super important tutorial for all you students out there. In today's tutorial, we are going to walk you through the steps to download the CBSE admit card and center materials for the 2024-25 exams. Whether you are downloading for class 10 or 12, we have got you covered. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open your browser and head to the official CBSE website. You can either type cbse.gov.in into your address bar or just Google CBSE and click the first link. Once the CBSE homepage opens, look for the Pariksha Sangam portal. Click on that to continue. Next, click on the Schools menu. Here, you will see 5 tabs. Select the Pre-Exam Activities tab. Now, from the available options, click on the Admit Card, Center Material for Main 2025 menu. This will open up the login window. Enter your CBSE LOC login credential, your user ID and password. The user ID will be your school's affiliation number and the password is the LOC password. Don't forget to type in the security pin that's shown in red. Once you have entered all the details, click the login button. Now that you are logged in, the main dashboard for admit card and center materials will appear. Let's start by downloading the admit card step by step. Step 1. Download admit card. Under the LOCR admit card menu, you will see options for class 10 and class 12 admit cards. First, click on School LOC class 10 or 12. Next, select class 10 and hit the Go button. Make sure to note down the first roll number and the last roll number of the students. You will need this to download the admit cards. Repeat the same for class 12. Step 2. Download admit cards for students. Now that we have noted down the roll numbers, head back to the dashboard. Select the LOCR admit card menu again and then click on Admit Card Class 10. Here's an important note. If the number of students exceeds 50, you will need to download the admit card in batches. To do this, enter the from roll number and the to roll number in increments of 50. After entering the roll number range, click Generate to create the admit cards. The admit cards will now appear on your screen. Click Ctrl+P to print them or select Save as PDF to save a copy. Be sure to adjust the margins before saving or printing. Repeat the same steps for class 12 students admit card. Step 3. Download center materials. Now let's move on to downloading the center materials. Select the center material menu, where you will see 4 sub-menus. Start by selecting the Center LOC Class 10 or 12 option. Choose the appropriate class and click the Go button. Please note, if your school is selected as an exam center, you will be able to access the center materials. Here, note down the starting and final roll numbers for your center, just like you did for the admit cards. You will need these to download the attendance sheets. Step 4. Download attendance sheets. Next, click on the attendance sheet Class 10 menu. Again, you will need to follow the same procedure as with the admit card download. Enter the roll number range up to 50 students per download and click Generate to create the attendance sheet. Once the attendance sheet appears, click Ctrl+P to print it or save it as a PDF for your records. Do the same process for class 12 students. Step 5. Download consolidated attendance sheet. Finally, to download the consolidated attendance sheet, select the consolidated menu, pick the appropriate class and click the Go button. The consolidated sheet will appear and you can either print it or save it as a PDF. Make sure to keep a copy for your records. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded the admit cards and center materials for your school's CBSE exams. Be sure to check all details carefully and keep your printed documents safe. Good luck with your exams.